come to me on a Thursday. I'll guide you through the process because this walk is not a normal walk, and we wrestle against flesh and blood. We don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places.
Yes.
Right now?
You remember that?
Well, I know, but that's
We don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places.
Let's take out the laugh out.
Then no, Alton, so you tell him that you can come and visit me on a Thursday at my office, and we'll go through the process and I'll guide you through. And remember, stay strong because we wrestle against, we don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places. Ready now? Action.
What you can do, I have fasting on a Thursday. You can come here on a Thursday if you don't have anything doing, and I can show you the way to the cross from there. You understand?
I'm sorry.
Well,
I'm sorry. I don't know where we are going right now. So.
All right, come.
All right, come. All right, we're ready.
You see me dance over there, see? You see what me do when I go?
You know, say that.
Say that.
Wait to cross, and remember, we wrestle against flesh and not against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places. Right now, an action.
You know what? I'm not gonna let you stand here and try to drain my spirit, because you see, it come like this, the devil send you here to me. See, you're going.
On the year on the recording though, and Pastor, me talk to you, so I said, Pastor, I want to praise, Yeah, man, I said, Pastor, you see a while ago, he used to thief dog and kill cow. On the year.
And since Deacon Bacchus is moving so fishy.
So fishy.
I think 1% back for the kind of position.
Yes.
And also the treasurer. And Sister Baker was the treasurer,
Yes, but she wanted to be the treasurer, but my spirit did tell me said that girl, something was wrong with her. Deacon is a good thing I never make her the treasurer. Because I sense a little thief in her, a little rat.
You go on, but you're not signing. But you can't fool me. Me know how we are sleeping in our church, Make him go on, man. You have to sign that. Have a roast sitting up at the farm there, see. They have it for the people who want to eat goat. Because Christmas has come. And we have some goat today. Some rammy and some different ones and some kiddie. So I got barrel that's in the half of the farm. Go up in some callaloo and roll up and yard the papers them. Making you go think a callaloo me come for give him. Watch and see.
And see me on Thursday, and I can show you the way to the cross from there.
Yeah,
Understand?
No problem,
Yes.
On Thursdays is actually my day off. Thursdays
Right.
and Saturdays.
Right.
So we do have the free time.
Because at my church, we don't really wrestle with the...
we don't wrestle against flesh and blood.
Flesh and blood.
But spiritual wickedness in high places.
We don't rest.
No, but just say,
Right now, not in your church, because as Christians, we don't wrestle against flesh and blood.
What did you say before that?
Spiritual side places.
Yes.
Ready now?
Come, what?
All right.
Come Thursday.
Ready now?
Right. So on a Thursday, you can just come in for free. You understand? Because as a Christian, we don't wrestle with the flesh. But we...
Yeah, man, you're saying about it good. We don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high places.
Yeah.
Ready now, an action.
Yes, but I don't know your schedule is, but on a Thursday, you can come and we can go from there.